Although pervasive in everyday life, turbulence has puzzled physicists for decades. Researchers from the Max Planck Institute want to change that. To better understand the large-scale turbulent flows occurring in the atmosphere, the team performed Lagrangian particle tracking velocimetry in a special wind tunnel. To track the position, velocity, and acceleration of the particles moving through the tunnel, the team mounted Phantom 2511 high-speed cameras on a linear stage moving 5 meters per second to match the flow speed. Even with the low light conditions in the tunnel, the cameras successfully maximized light exposure without sacrificing image speed or quality. The team even made some custom modifications, such as breathing holes in the sensor glass and dust filters, to protect the camera from the pressure and debris. Thanks to this unique wind tunnel design and high-speed vision system, the Max Planck team has made Lagrangian measurements of fluid flows with Reynolds numbers 3 times higher than what was previously available. Read the rest of the story in our case study.